Meaning of halt.
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 Halt. The word halt has several meanings, but it generally refers to bringing something to a stop or ceasing activity. For example, a person might halt their car at a stop sign or halt a meeting to address an issue. In the context of a computer program, a halt command would stop the program's execution. The consequences of halting depend on the context. In some cases, it may cause inconvenience or delay, while in others it may prevent errors or dangerous situations. Overall, halt represents a deliberate cessation of action with varying outcomes.